Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know after a long time I'm posting any video, so sorry for that. But at the same time, I'm very excited as well. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
In this video, we're going to talk about a new messaging app called Signal. So Signal is a private messaging app that is available for both Android and iOS devices. It is an end-to-end encrypted app just like WhatsApp or Telegram. The reason it is getting a lot of attention now is because of the new WhatsApp privacy policy update. So before going into that, let's see first how to register for it. Registration is pretty simple. After opening the app, you'll get an interface like this. Press continue. Now it will ask for your permission to access your contacts. You can give it now or you can give it later. Now you have to enter a phone number. After entering the phone number, you will get a verification code. And after entering the code, you have to set up your profile. And then you can use the Signal app. This is the homepage of the Signal app. Here at the bottom you get two options. You can directly invite your friends to join the Signal app, or you can create new groups. And on clicking this pencil icon, you can start messaging with your contacts. Now I'm chatting with one of my contacts. If you have already used WhatsApp or Messenger, you can easily use this app. The UI is almost similar to other messaging apps. This is the message box here. You can type in your messages. You can also send voice notes. Now, if you tap on this plus icon, you can send photos and videos from your gallery app. You can also send GIF, contacts, etc. Now, if you tap on this camera icon, you can directly take photos and videos and share it with your friends. You can also send stickers and emojis. Currently, there are only few stickers, but I'm sure in the coming days we will get a lot more. Apart from the regular text messaging, you can do voice and video calls. Clicking on these three dots will bring you more options. It also has group chat feature. Currently, the app can accommodate up to 1000 members in a group. It offers most of the features like admin approval, mentions, group info editing, etc. But to add someone to the group, first you have to send them an invitation link. And if they accept that, then only they can be added to the group. It also has other features like pin chats and disappearing chats. The app also supports dark mode. It also has the screen lock feature through which you can lock the Signal app. Then to unlock it, you have to use the same password or fingerprint that you use to unlock the device itself. To access this screen lock feature, go to settings in the Signal app, then go to privacy section, and then you can turn on this feature. The app stores your data locally, but if you want, you can back up your chats to external devices. So guys, this was my video about Signal app. I hope you have liked it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.